cut, cut, cut.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Adeline's Playhouse. Today we are going on a royal mission. We want to make a roof for my playhouse.
Yes, that's right. We want to make Adeline's Playhouse look like a beautiful, cozy castle.
We want to make roof tiles. We'll cut them, color them, and even stick them together in a pattern.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yes, that's right. And to make roof tiles, you just need some cardboard. And you have to make sure that the cardboard should be 22 centimeter long and 13 centimeter wide.
And you must make sure you need an adult supervision because this is a royal mission.
Yes, that's right. When you want to make these roof tiles, you have to make sure that you have an adult or parents with you. Measure twice, cut once. That's the builder's model.
I'm the official ruler holder, 22 centimeters long and 13 centimeters wide.
Perfect. You really got a royal eye for the detail, Adeline. Let's measure it. And how many centimeters before? 22?
Yes.
Okay, 22 centimeters long and 13 centimeters wide, right?
Right.
Okay, there we go. All right. There we go. And here's the first cut, Adeline. Snip, 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 snip.
It sounds like a little music. Snip, snap, snip, snap.
It does. Okay, let's cut it here. There you go. Go, go. Cut and cut, 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 cut and cut, cut, cut. We got this kind of rectangle shape. Then we measure 4 centimeters on each edge. After that, we connect the line to each other.
Is it like this?
Yes, perfectly right. That's correct, Adeline. Then we have to cut that line and you will get this kind of shape.
Can I help, Mama?
Sure, sure. I'm watching you while you are holding the scissors.
Okay. Do you hold it like this? I'm the quality control manager. This one is perfectly made. Great job, Mama.
Thank you, Boss Adeline. Teamwork makes the dream work, or in this case, make the castle work. Ha!
The tiles are ready. Time to splash some colors.
Wait just a moment, Princess Adeline. Before the colors, we need our secret base, and it's called the white primer.
Wait, what? Why white, Mama? I want pretty colors.
The primer. We need it because the cardboard is like a thirsty sponge. It's highly porous.
A sponge? Who drinks the paint?
Exactly. If we don't use white paint first, the cardboard will soak up all our beautiful colors and make them look dull. The white primer keeps the color sitting right on top.
Let's get our brushes ready and save the color now! Finish all the way. Now for this part, Mama, what are our three special colors?
So we have three special colors here. The first one is brick red, then olive green, the last one is brown color.
Brick red is for the classic look. Olive green feels like a forest nature house.
Yeah.
And brown makes it look like real sturdy.
That's right, Adeline. Thank you for the explanation. So now let's paint it.
Yay, let's get painting! Finish coloring all the roof tile. What do we do now, Mama?
Well, after we finish these roof tiles, so the next one is we have to color the cardboard for the base of our roof tiles. So next on, we will stick these roof tiles onto the cardboard. Are you ready, Adeline, to do that?
Yes!
Yes, let's do it! Yay! For the best part, we are layering them like a giant, colorful puzzle.
It's like a pattern game!
Yes, you're right, Adeline.
One olive green,
Uh-huh.
a brick red right next to it, and of course, do not forget brown. next
yes,
to it.
Yes, yes,
Right
you're
next
right.
to it.
That's awesome. So, we overlap them just a little bit so the rain would slide right off. So, I put this one in here.
Look, Mama, when we put them together, it starts to look like a real home. It's like the house is putting on a very royal fancy dress.
Yes, yes, a very royal dress. You're such a natural builder, Adeline. So, can you find the next natural green to put over here, please?
The magic glue power.
Oh, smart girl.
I put this in my pocket.
Yeah, that's really.
As you know,
nice
guys, I've got a mini pocket here.
So,
Her too.
we are almost there. This pattern makes the roof look so much more realistic.
Oh my god, crazy. It's so good. Woo! I want to live here. I want to sleep in this. I want to sleep in here. It doesn't even fit my whole body.
So, what do you think, Adeline?
That's perfecto. I love how the colors pop against each other. It's the most beautiful in the whole roof, in the whole entire universe.
It really is. Just a few more rows and the royal castle will be complete.
Yay!
We had so much fun today. Which color is your favorite? The brick red, the brown color, or the nature green? Let us know in the comments.